everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create bundles and kits using SellerChamp. So first, let me explain what's the difference between a bundle versus a kit. So a bundle is anything that's a pack of more than one. So for example, you may be selling vitamins, right, as a pack of one. You could decide to sell that as a bundle, as a pack of 4, as a pack of 5. So that's a bundle, is when a single product is being sold in a pack. A kit is when you're taking two different products and combining them together to make a single offering. So a good example would be a shoe with a pair of socks, a shirt with a shirt with a tie. Right? You combine them together, make a single offering. That's a kit. Okay. So what I've done here is in this batch here is I've scanned in some products, and what we're going to do is now we're going to convert them into lots and bundles. So the way you do this is you actually scan in your products first into the manifest or into the batch, right? And then let's say this one a day vitamin, I want to also sell this as a pack of 3. So the way I do that is you click the checkbox next to it, go into more actions, and then you click on bundle. That's going to ask you the size of the the size that you want to create, the pack size. So in this case, I want a pack of 3, so I'm going to say lot size as 3 and hit submit. All right, and that's going to create my lot of 3, right? What it's going to do is the price. It's going to take the price of the single pack and multiply it by the lot size. So in this case, that's 3, so 1476. Same thing with this SKU. It's going to take this SKU and add a -3 in front, at the end, I mean, where 3 is actually the size. So if I had said pack of 5, this would have been -5. So looking at this pattern, you can quickly tell that which single part this belongs to. Now another interesting thing that it does is the quantity, once this item goes active, will be managed off the single part. So if I make this 9 and I submit this on eBay, make it active, and then I make this the lot of 3 active, the quantity of this will become 3 regardless of what quantity I actually type in here, because it'll use the quantity at the single part and make that use that to drive the quantity at the lot level, right? Because if I only have 9 of these available, I cannot sell more than 3 packs. And as I make sales, it will do the same thing. So if I sell 1 lot, right, which is a pack of 3, it will actually reduce the quantity of the single part by 3 as well. So a lot of that intelligence is sort of built in when you sell your lots and bundles and whatnot. Okay. Now same thing with my kits. So the way you create a kit is you check 2 items or 3 items, a combination of more than 1 item, right? And you go into more actions and click bundle. That's going to create a new item, which is a combination of these 2. So as you can see, bundle of 2. If I click on it, tell me that this bundle contains these 2 items. Now, as far as pricing, what it does is it takes the highest pricing of the 2. So the backpack is being sold as $24.99. The travel makeup pack is being sold as $18.98. So it's going to use $24.99 as the price. Okay. And same thing with the quantity, right? The quantity of the bundle will be the lower of the 2. So if this is being sold as 4, I've got 4 of these, but I only have 1 of these. When I make this product active, it's going to default to 1 because I cannot sell more than 1 because I only have 1 of these packs available. So it'll take the lower quantity that's active across both of these and use that one. All right. And then of course you can go into the actual kit and change the title, add more images, whatever as you need to. But that's how you create your packs and bundles. Same thing with the sales. If this if this kit sells, which is a combination of the backpack and the makeup bag, it will reduce the quantity from both of these products. Okay. Now a little bit advanced is I can also make up a kit that's made up of a lot. So for instance, I can say that weird combination, but I can say that I am going to be selling this makeup bag and this lot of 3 together as a single kit, and I can go into more actions and say bundle, and it'll actually bundle them together. Now in this case, so there you can see it's a bundle of 2 and it's got view linked lots linked to it. So it's basically telling me that okay, this is made up of two items, right? Which is the travel bag and the vitamin, which is actually a lot of three. So in this case, what happens when this sells? Well, what happens when this sells is the quantity of the makeup bag is reduced by 1, which makes sense, right? And because the lot is made up of a lot of 3, right? Because the bundle is made up of an item which is actually a lot of 3, when I sell this bundle, right, which is made up of these two items, the quantity for the lot of 3 will be reduced by 1, but the quantity of the single part, which is the vitamin by itself, will be reduced by 3, because this kit contains the pack of 3. So that's why the quantity for the single part will be reduced by 3. Okay, so it actually keeps track of all of that for you, so you no longer have to worry about maintaining your quantities at the level of the lot, at the level of the bundle, and so forth. You just maintain your quantities at the actual single item level and let SellerChamp take care of everything else for you. Awesome. All right, any questions, do not hesitate to use the chat button, send us a message. We'll answer your questions, get you the help you need, and get you going. All right, thanks and cheers.